Welcome back to Amit And Reyansh world. Today I am playing the role of Little Master Chef and show you how to make mango chaat in Fireless Recipe. First of all, we need ripe mango, raw mango, onion, cucumber, moong dal, nut masala, chips, chaat masala, black peppers. First we put raw mango in the bowl. Now I will add onion. Now I will add cucumber. Now I will add moong dal. Now I will add nut masala. Now I will add chips. Now I will add chaat masala. Now I will add black pepper. Now it's time to mix it gently. It looks so colorful. Now the chaat is ready to eat. Wow, it looks so yummy. Friends, you can also make mango chaat in this summer season. Friends, if you like my recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye friends. See you friends. Meet in the next class.